What's up, class? This is the second breakpoint lesson we did, and this one had you guys doing a little more of the coding, a little more of the problem solving, etc., etc. But this was a problem from last year's midterm, and what it basically had to do was ask the user to input all their MESA grades, quiz grades, MESA test grades, and MESA project grades for quarter. The input would let the student know how to enter the quiz grades as a number out of 20, the test as a number out of 50, and the projects as a number out of 100. And then the program would calculate their total letter grade based on total points. So they would add up the points they earned and divide that by the total points possible. Okay, so basically I shared this code with you. I wanted you to go through it, figure out why it wasn't working, and then kind of make some changes to it. So yeah, I'm going to go through that process with you real quick. Okay, so here's the code, that one that you guys had. Okay, and yeah, let's run through it. So you run it. Okay, you wanted a quiz grade, yes. 18, 20, 0, 22. So what you're hopefully finding out is that it's stuck in this infinite loop. Okay, and the only way to get out of it is Control C. So what I wanted you guys to do is, why did it get stuck in this while loop? Some of you guys might have figured it out already, some of you guys might not have, but I wanted you to add a breakpoint. Okay, and when you go through it, run it again. So this is BP2. Yes. Okay, and now we're here. So just ask if we wanted it, and now we go step by step. Okay, input grade, so we can do that. Okay, 18, looking at the variables. Okay, Q grade is now 18. Step, score, updated 18, total, updated 20, end. So why did it go back in here? Well, if you look at it, Q is still equal to Y. So no matter what we do as we scroll through it, we enter whatever, 99, it's going to give us a step, it's going to give us an error, but we're never re-asking the question of, do you want to enter a quiz grade or not? So because of that, it's just staying as Y, and it's going to stay in here forever. So quit debugging, okay? And now you got to figure out, where do you want to enter this quiz grade? Or where do you want to put this question back in it? So you can do it multiple places. You can do it here, okay? Because if they got an error, you want them to enter again, or you can just do it at the end. So this is the most logical place. So now if we run the code, BP2, do you want a quiz grade? Yes. 18. You want a quiz grade? Yes. 3, 2, bad quiz. Do you want a quiz grade? No. Okay. Now there's another problem. But at least we got out of the loop, right? So first step, first problem solved, you got out of the loop. Now it's saying undefined functional variable letter, okay, which is this, okay, in BP2, line 29. Interesting. So grade, if you look over here, is equal to 0.5. So it never made it in here, and that's where letter comes from, right? So because if grade is greater than or equal to 0.9, it goes in here. Because it wasn't, it was an else, which is nothing, so then letter's never created. You don't see letter here, and so it can't be called upon in this F parameter. So that kind of makes sense why there's error there, right? Okay, so now we need to add to this code. Okay, I'm going to go through the basics of it with you. I don't know if I'm going to do the whole thing. We'll see what we get done. But first thing I want to do is have it work for quizzes. So I need to add some else ifs, right? So now we have the option for A, but what about if grade is less than or equal to 0.8? And letter equals what? B, right? So not greater than or equal, if it's less than 90, then it goes in here. If it's greater than 80, then it's going to be a B. Okay? Else if grade greater or equal to C or 0.7, letter equals C. Okay? Else if grade greater or equal to 6 letter equals D. If grade. Oh, this is a good point. So now at this point, the only other option is F. So you don't need even another relationship. Letter equals F. Okay. Bam. So now let's run through our code and see if we get that letter situation again. So BP2, yes, 18, yes, 10. Okay. So you have now all of a sudden cute. I hate when I do this. So let's clear everything. Okay. Now let's run BP2. Yes. No. Oh, I hit no. So it was a 90, but that was not testing. If it was less than an A, so let's do it again. Yes, 18. Yes, 10. Okay, no. Now it's a C, so it's working. So 0.7 C. Cool. So now we gotta do it for all the other options, be it tests, okay, or projects. Okay. So all I'm gonna do is basically copy and paste this. Except now it's not asking for quizzes, it's asking for projects. So after it runs through the quizzes, they don't want to enter any more quizzes, and you're going to ask test. Do you want to enter a test grade? Okay. Please enter your test grade. T is equal to, okay, because it's now T's. T, okay, out of 50, okay, and then score plus 50, because it's adding 50 each time, okay, score is being updated by whatever they put, the total points possible is being 50, okay, that's supposed to be 50. Do you want to enter another test group? Okay, so that should work. Now, let's try it real quick. Yes, 18, no, yes, 35, bad test, no. Interesting. Oh, that is awesome. So I hit no, okay, but what's not updating? Why didn't that work? Why didn't that work? Why is it still in here? And the key is, so let's do 40. I'm stuck in an input loop. Why am I stuck in an input loop? Okay. And T was stuck at yes because this input does not change to T. So Q was changing. I was changing Q with that line. Right? So, but I was not changing T. So once again, kind of the same problem before where I was using this. But it had this equal to Q, so it wasn't updating the variable T. So when we went back up here, T was still equal to yes. So it kept going through. Now it should work. BP2. Do we want that to purchase grade? Yes, 18. No, yes. 30. Fail. No. D. Okay. So now let's add project. It's the exact same thing. Okay. Copy and paste this. We're just going to change the T's to P's and the 50s to 100. And bam, we got it. Okay, so let's go up here. P, 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 out of 100, 100, 100, P, so that's updating that. Okay, real quick, does this work? BP2, no, yes, 45, no. Oh, am I still in the error? This is embarrassing. Why am I still in it? Oh, I didn't change this. This is when you don't change the project. So this is actually asking, do I want to enter a project grade? Yes. I didn't change. Gosh, I didn't change any of them. I failed 18. No, because I failed. You gotta have change the scripts. If you copy and paste, be careful. That was embarrassing. Okay, let's try again. BP2. Yes. 18. No. We got a 35. Got a 70 on it. Oops. Didn't answer it right. Wow. Maybe I should redo this, but I don't think I am going to. 18. No. Yes. 35. No. Yes. 100. Give me an A. No. Yeah, got an A. Just got a 90. Sweet. Okay. The last thing real quick, we have 4 minutes, is what if someone entered something below? So what if they enter like a negative number? Or what if they didn't? Actually, let's not focus on that. We've done that before. What if they don't enter anything? So what if they go BP2, no. I don't know why you would have to do this. It makes sense from this program. Grade's not technically enough because you haven't taken anything yet. So what you need to do is say, basically, what is 0? Total is 0. So in reality, grade is not available. So say else if. There's many ways to do this, by the way. I'm just gonna head up here. If total equals 0. Why did you run this code if you want to okay, so now we run it. We go BP2. No. Oh, it's still up of this. So maybe we could do this. And then it'll be another loop. Yeah. Else. And then all of this. Hopefully you see what I'm doing. Got 2 minutes left. So this loop is now inside if sum is not equal to 0, so it integrates and then it runs through this if statement. Okay. So this is what we did in class, just to give you some idea. Okay, and then I need to end the loop. Okay. Now it should work. Because I don't want to say, why do you run this code if we're not going to enter grades, and then your grades after, because that's what we were trying to fix. Cool. So this is the final code. A lot of you guys did it different ways. Instead of doing a while here, you asked how many quizzes they want to enter. So if they said 8, then you would do a for loop that would run 8 times, and each time it's asking for a quiz. I'm getting rudely interrupted by 2 of my track runners. I'm filming a screencast-matic tutorial right now. Yeah. So this is, say hi. This is the end. So this is good. That's John McDaniel and Dylan. Yeah, this is what we're doing in class today. So